If you inherited a house in Northwood, Ohio, or if you have a house in Northwood, Ohio that's going through the probate process, then this video is for you. My name is Dave Payerchin, and for over 14 years, my team and I has been buying properties for cash in and around Northwood, Ohio, and we've worked with many sellers in Northwood that inherited the property or had a probate type of situation going on. So we're very familiar with this process and with these types of situations, and we do know that sometimes when inheriting a property in Northwood, it could be a little bit confusing. There could be a lot of paperwork involved or attorneys involved and the court involved. So we've seen this quite a bit. So the last thing we're ever going to do is make things more complicated for you. In fact, one of our core values as a company is KISS. It's to keep it super simple. And the way that we keep it simple for you is we're going to buy the property in its as-is condition. What that means is you're never going to be expected to fix anything or clean anything or haul anything away. The conversation is simple with you. You as the seller, you as the person who inherited the property, you can take anything that you want out of the property, any family belongings or family heirlooms, collectibles and memories and things like that. By all means, please take that. Anything that you don't want or don't need, you simply can leave behind and we'll take care of it for you. There's never going to be any added costs to you. There's never going to be any added repairs that you need to make or credits that you need to give for us to purchase the property. A big part of that, and the reason we're able to do this and buy it in its as-is condition, is we're not relying on a third-party mortgage lender. There's no mortgage company involved or a lender like that. That's typically what you're going to see with more of a traditional buyer. And these traditional buyers are the ones working with a real estate agent. Then they're probably going to expect you to pay commissions on this, which is just money out of your pocket. All of this is avoidable. But these traditional buyers with the traditional lender, they're going to send through a formal inspector. Then they're going to send through a formal appraisal. And they're going to report back to the lender. Sometimes that lender now needs you to make repairs in order for them to close. You're giving up all of your power and all of your control to this lender, right? Because if you don't comply with them, they're not going to fund this and you're going to be left right back to where you started. All of that is avoidable by working with a true as-is cash buyer, and that's exactly what we do. And we have hundreds of reviews and testimonials and positive references because we're going to treat you fairly. We're local. We're not some foreign, distant call center by any means or anything like that. So if you inherited a house in Northwood and you want to just see what your options are, give us a call at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. I know it says Columbus in the website name. That's because we were founded in Columbus, but we're very active in buying properties in Northwood, all over Toledo, and all over the great state of Ohio. So when we get on the phone with you, it's a very easy conversation. We just need to know more about the house and then know more about what timeline you want to close on. And this is often overlooked but very important. When we buy your house for cash and it's as-is condition, you choose your own timeline. So all the power, the ball is in your court the entire time. If you want or need to close quickly, we could accommodate your needs. Or if you need more flexibility and you want to set a target future date and there's other family members involved or whatever the case is, we could accommodate your needs that way as well. So when we get on the phone, we just need to know more information about the house and then know more information about when you want to close. And we're going to make you a fair cash offer. If our offer works for you, great, we'll move forward. And we're going to keep it very easy and communicate transparently throughout the whole process. If our offer doesn't work for you, we'll simply shake hands and part as friends. We're never going to add pressure or gimmicks or sales tactics or anything like that. We're going to treat you like a neighbor and treat you fairly. So our number, once again, is 614-300-5151. And our website is sellhousecolumbus.com. My name is Dave Payerchin. I look forward to speaking with you, and I look forward to working with you.